How to set up your fingerprint lock on double R Humidor?
First, make sure the Humidor is powered on and the display is working. Tap the Smart Lock icon on the screen. Create a new 6-digit password, then press OK. Enter the password again to confirm. Now tap Fingerprint Lock and enter your password. Select Add Fingerprint. Place your finger on the fingerprint sensor area 3 to 5 times. When the screen shows fingerprint 0, your fingerprint has been successfully added.